In a world where convenience is king, a surprising number of people are bucking the trend and striving for self-sufficiency. An estimated 70% of us are making efforts to rely less on external systems and more on our own abilities and resources. Picture this. Emma, a 30-something urbanite, once found herself dependent on the hustle and bustle of the city. However, one day she decided to take control of her own life. She started small with a window box of herbs and a commitment to cook at home more often. Gradually, her culinary skills improved and she found herself making staples like bread and pasta from scratch, reducing her reliance on store-bought goods. As her confidence grew, so did her ambitions. She started a vegetable garden in her backyard, learning about permaculture and sustainable gardening practices. She even began raising chickens, providing her with fresh eggs and meat. Emma also learned food preservation techniques, ensuring she could enjoy her homegrown produce year-round. But Emma's journey didn't stop at food. She installed water-efficient appliances, started harvesting rainwater, and even invested in solar panels. By insulating her home and using energy-efficient light bulbs, she saw her energy bills shrink. She also learned basic home repair skills, reducing her need to call in professionals for every little hiccup. Emma sewed her own curtains, built her own bookshelves, and when something broke, she fixed it herself or repurposed it into something new. Financial independence also became a priority. Emma reduced her debt, started saving, and invested wisely. She even developed multiple income streams, including selling her excess produce and homemade goods at local markets. Emma also focused on her health and wellness. She grew medicinal herbs, learned basic first aid, and practiced yoga daily. She minimized waste, started composting, and reduced her reliance on single-use items. She didn't do this alone, though. Emma became an active participant in her local community, sharing resources and skills with her neighbors. She even started a local group for like-minded individuals, fostering a supportive community for mutual assistance. Emma also ensured she was prepared for emergencies. She built a well-stocked emergency kit and learned basic survival skills. She developed a family emergency plan, ensuring that she and those she cared about could weather any storm. Emma's is a journey of self-sufficiency, but it's also a journey of resilience, independence, and empowerment. It's about taking control of one's life, one step at a time. You too can embark on this journey. Start small, grow a potted plant, cook a meal from scratch, learn to fix a leaky faucet. Remember, each step you take towards self-sufficiency contributes to your overall resilience and independence. So why wait? Start today. Shape your own path, just like Emma did. The road to self-sufficiency awaits.